Alright guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at Applied Digital, APLD stock. So today this stock is trading at 32.70. We still have a couple more hours until market close. So this is a daily chart. And if you guys take a look at this price action right there, the red candle, gap up after earning support, this is when we talked about this one, and we talked about exact same thing. So back October 10th, and looks like $38 price. I was talking about this one pre-market back then, and I was saying that if people come in and if people take a profit and stock tries to fill this gap and we somehow hover around these 20-day moving averages, maybe even if we pull back towards 25, that would be normal for me personally. This stock did run away quite a bit from pretty much $3 all the way back here in April to all the way to 32. So year to date, from the beginning of the year, $8. This stock has gone up 328%, $9.1 billion valuation at the moment. So these are all daily candles. You can see sideways move, distribution, however you want to call it. And I want to show you guys this that I already, before we go further. So where a lot of profit taking, in my opinion, was happening. This is distribution, all these clusters, large orders. Number 4, $39 million order. Number 10, $29 million. Number 9, $31 million. Number 3, $54 million. Number 5, all came in after they reported earnings. Okay, so as soon as price resolves lower below these prices, I am 100% certain that these were profit takers and not people who are trying to accumulate it after stock has gone up so much. So very two pivotal moving averages that I watch. This is a gray line. You can see 5-day moving average. Even if you take a look at the daily price action in the last 7-8 trading sessions, stock hasn't done anything. So you can see 5-day moving average moving sideways and downtrending, and also in the last 3 trading sessions, pretty much stock closed below its 5-day moving average, and today rejecting below this 5-day moving average. So next level area, this 20-day, and this is also the gap fill area. So 29. This is the first area I would be watching, and if even 29 doesn't hold and this stock pretty much moves sideways and pulls back towards 50-day moving average, that would be totally normal for me. We can take a look at the option positioning, quickly just go through what's happening in the last, like, let's say, okay, so 7 days. In a 7-day period, I'm not seeing much of a call buying activity except for somewhere around October 15th and 16th. Maybe people thought that it would break out, and I was one of those, but I didn't pull the trigger and I didn't trade it. So in terms of like net premiums, I'm seeing call selling, put selling as well. So this stock had a lot of implied volatility baked into it. So now as this stock pulls back, even if it pulls back slowly, IV is going to come down as well. So today 8% so far, 8.7% down. Another thing I want to show you guys here is open interest on options. There were a lot of, before they reported earnings, there were a lot of calls were coming in into December outside of the money, January calls, and people were buying like 40. I think highest strike was 43. Let's take a look. So I'm not seeing the 43 on December anymore. They could have closed it out. You can just go, we can just quickly, just to be sure, because I was seeing a lot of large orders coming in into that particular strike. I mean, since that strike is not expired, we can quickly take a look at it. And market makers looks like opened up more. I just want to make sure people who are buying a little bit longer dated calls are still in there. So yeah, I'm not seeing much here. Let's take a look at January 16th has 93,000 outside of the money OTM calls. So January 16th, 2026. So outside of the money, yeah, I'm seeing 40 strike, 3,000 open interest, and today 700 traded, 55, 1,200 traded, 17 open interest. This is not significant actually. So you want to keep an eye on open interest on these contracts. Just for the record, I can just show it right here. If anything changes in this box, let's say outside of the money gets reduced in the next few days, and even in the money gets reduced, then I would think that people are taking profit on the call side. And yeah, that's pretty much a wrap for the stock. I think it's going to pull back. It can pull back more. The only time this stock is bullish, just like I said many times, I'm a breakout trader. My alert is still there, 40 bucks. If it clears 40, builds above 40, sure, I'm going to be bullish. But I'm not a dip buyer, and if this stock, let's say, goes towards 50-day moving average, it can present better risk reward in terms of like building a position or pretty much reducing the risk instead of trying to catch a stock somewhere here and assume that it's magically is going to go up. No, I don't think so. But I would keep an eye on CoreWeave. They were moving pretty much together. So if CoreWeave catches a bid, I would be definitely watching APLD with it. Okay, so that's the quick update for Applied Digital. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. This is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next update. Take care. Peace.